Cupcakes? Oh yeah! To the kitchen!
Live from the kitchen, the following is a big commercial announcement for Astounding.
Welcome to Astounding Products. I'm your host, the guy in the sweater who asks all the obvious questions. Now, here to tell us about his astounding product for making cupcakes, all the way from Cheshire, England, please welcome me! Hello! Now, hello! I'm so excited! Do you love making cupcakes but hate all the hard cupcake work? No. Don't forget everything you know about making cupcakes and say hello to the amazing originator. I'm so excited! Cupcake a what? Cupcake-inator! Can instantly make cupcakes out of anything that you have in the kitchen. Wait a minute, did you say anything? Anything. Anything? Yes, anything. 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 I'll get you, and I'll look like a bloody accident. Anything. Now, let's see. Take off the lid. You can put in, I don't know, a carton of eggs. What? How about a pack of hot dogs? Why not? Some ketchup. Why not? I know what you're thinking. Even a fire extinguisher. There we go. Now, close the lid and Bob's your flippin' uncle. Oh yeah! Open the drawer. Fill the patented cupcake-inator tray. Close the drawer. Then place. Oh yeah! Delicious cupcakes are just minutes away. Did you just say minutes away? That's impossible! Just wrong, you're stupid. Now wait just a minute. And you're ugly, just like your mum. Did you just call my mother ugly? Shut up! I mean it. I will end you.
Cat! Your tail.
What about it? Oh, I see. I've chopped it off. Well, that's interesting because son of a bitch!